Once upon a time, in a lush jungle teeming with life, there lived an industrious ant named Alvin and a gentle giant of an elephant named Ellie. Alvin was a diligent worker, always busy gathering food and building his anthill, while Ellie spent her days wandering the jungle, marveling at its beauty. Despite their stark size difference, Alvin and Ellie formed an unlikely friendship. Alvin admired Ellie's wisdom and gentle demeanor, while Ellie appreciated Alvin's tireless work ethic and resourcefulness. One day, a fierce storm swept through the jungle, destroying trees and flooding the ground. Alvin's anthill was washed away, and he found himself struggling to stay afloat in the rising water. Seeing his friend in distress, Ellie rushed to his aid, using her trunk to carefully scoop him up and carry him to higher ground. Grateful for Ellie's timely intervention, Alvin vowed to repay her kindness. Together, they worked tirelessly to rebuild Alvin's anthill, using Ellie's strength to move heavy debris and Alvin's ingenuity to design a sturdier structure. As they worked side by side, their friendship grew stronger than ever, proving that even the smallest ant and the largest elephant could overcome any obstacle when they worked together as a team. And from that day on, Alvin and Ellie were known throughout the jungle as the truest of friends, inspiring others with their remarkable bond.